Here's a video to show you how to use a French press to make your coffee. We like to use the Starbucks coffee press. It's a great press, it makes some really good coffee. It's really simple to do. All you're gonna need is some coarse ground coffee. If you'd like to see a video on how we make our coarse ground coffee, check out the link below. We don't have a coffee grinder and we're still able to do it. You're gonna take 4 tablespoons of coarse ground coffee and put it into the coffee press. After that, you're gonna take 12 ounces of water just off the boil. So go ahead and pour that in. The ratio here is for every 12 ounces of water, you put in 4 tablespoons of coarse ground coffee. Then you're gonna take the lid to the press, making sure that the handle is all the way up, and set it on top. And then we're gonna wait 4 minutes. Now that 4 minutes have passed, you can take the handle and press it down, and that's gonna trap all the grinds at the bottom of the press. Then you're simply gonna pour yourself a cup of coffee. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.